Now next is replacing double click with a single click. Generally we are using double click to open any of the folder or application there. We can replace it with a single click also. What to do? Just open the control panel and click on File Explorer option. As you click on the File Explorer option, you will have the option there, General. In the General, we have click items as follows: single or double. So generally by double we are using, so you can use single also here. Just click on single and apply it. And as you click on apply, now if you want to open any of the application or anything, you can do it with the single click also. Suppose I am opening this, so I require a single click there. As I click on singly there, then it will open there. And again, you want to change, so you can change it from the File Explorer option. Go to the File Explorer option and again make it double click and apply it. So you can decide whether you require to single click or double click on particular application or folder to open it.